London Underground does not allow eating chocolate ice cream on the train. No chocolate ice cream allowed on the train.
You're the TikTok brother.
I'm not the TikTok brother.
Can't hide that voice, bro. Sorry. It's on TikTok, yeah.
Oh wow. I like your hairstyle. That is so cool. Let me see the back. Wow. Did you do that yourself? Wow, that's very good. Your outfit is cool. What? I just noticed your outfit is so cool. Like very Star Wars bag and jacket. Is that like Japanese style or something? The jacket is Japanese, yeah? Yeah, I thought so. It looks. I like that style. It's very nice.
I'll allow it. Next week we'll get on. You can run that again.
Mind the gap.